Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajidaga main headlines. Konyak Union Headquarters Monpra Kamtiang Bustite Jamala Olato strongly condemn Krishi. Pektown Public Forum pra Ja Kali Aroto Pekte to Salpra Shuru Krekina alak factions laga tags halte Rakubo Kwato NNC FGN pra reject Krishi. Supreme Court pra Central और State Governments के SC और ST reservation te creamy layer rule apply करबले petition और जवाब दी बोले जनादेशे. US President Donald Trump pra Iran nogote business create का country kan opor 25% tariff lubonimite threaten krishi. Konyak Union KU headquarters Monpra Myanmar Naga self-styled administered zone naga Pangsao area Kamtiang Busti te January 9 tarik din Ektam Biapra Jamala Olato strongly condemn Krishi. KU President K Yamau Konyak or General Secretary Wango Konyak State Krishi ke NSCN Yung Ong YF faction pra allegedly attack kurate NSCN K Angmai faction naga Lieutenant Avi Puchuri और Surgeon Piao Konyak ke Morai dishi और दूसरा कादर Ektam Biapra jokhom hoy kena ase koishi. Konyak Union Janashe ki Naga Manu Prahi Nijor Naga Manu ke Nutun Sal laga shurute morai diato mon napuncha ase kwaikna ituto Naga Manu laga shared history sacrifices or sapna thokai dia nishna hoi jaishi koishi Nijor bitorte jamla ola pra Naga political movement to komzor kori de bisas harai de or civilians majote bhoy or duk ane kwaikna Nijor Naga Manu ke morai diato unacceptable ase kwaikna junadishe. Konyak Union pra sob Naga political groups ke thanda thake kina manu laga life hisab korible jamala na korible or issue ki thakile kotha prahi korible junadikna koishi ki ekta fear or lasting solution nimite ekilogote ahibole lage koikna state krishi. Union be bereaved families ke eneka time te support or condolences junai dishi. Konyak Union Tobu Unit B incident to condemn Krekina State Krishi ki eneka Jamala pra sovereignty nimite Naga struggle to represent nakure koishi. Unit pra Tobu area laga duita factions ke bi ghorte wapas ahi jaikina peace choose korble appeal Krekina unity or dialogue opor takhan naga commitment junai dishi. Naga National Council Federal Government of Nagaland NNC FGN pra Pektown Public Forum PTPF laga press statement juntuto no more factional taxes in Pektown te thaka khan aro to factional tax nadibo koikna olaishi to opor react koikna state krishi ki to pra Naga history aro free Naga homeland nimite manukan iman sacrifice koikna aha khan hisab nakura to sabule pai koishi Midan Peyu Chakasang Region NNC FGN Secretary Sijopra rejoined the issue krate Janashi ki forum laga statement Naga Manu especially Chakasang community laga patriotism or contribution or Naga leaders or national workers Naga movement ke aage loi jaikina jabole sacrifices kurakan acknowledge kuranai kwaikna janadishi. NNC FGN Janashi ki NNC to February 2 tarik 1946 te shuru hoishi or June 26 1947 te 9-point agreement to sign kurishi koishi takhan janaishi ki kitya manukhan agreement to kinika kurikina age loi jaboi to opor sawal kra time NNC Mahatma Gandhi ki jaikna July 19 tarik साल 1947 te lock kurikina itu pichite August 14 tarik साल 1947 din Naga independence announced kurishi kwaikna state kurishi statement bi AZ Pizo 1950 te NNC president hua 1951 Naga voluntary plebiscite kote 99.9% pra sovereignty nimite support kura 1952 election boycott ar Prime Minister Nehru 1953 te Kohimate aha khan janaishi NNC FGN hisabte Indian forces ektam bishi deploy kori dia pra manu duk paishi koishi juntu pra Federal Government of Nagaland March 22 tarik 1956 te form hoishi koishi kote Naga Army armed wing thakishi koigina junadishi NNC FGN tax or march 10 for 1 aro our land is ours nishna slogans to unity duty aro opposition to dekhabo nimite bar junadishi koishi PTPF pra Naga political groups ke factions ko to reject rekna janaishi ki NNC to political institution ase aro FGN to manu pra mandate kura government ekta ase ko ekna janadishi Supreme Court pra Central or State Governments ke petition junju pra Scheduled Caste or Scheduled Tribe Reservation te Creamy Layer Rule apply korble koikna ase to opor jawab dibole junadishi. Creamy Layer to ki ase koile reservation bitor manukun khan economically or socially stable ase tai khan ke aro to reservation naga lab khan nadia ke koi. Bench of Chief Justice Surya Kant or Justice Joy Malia Bakchi pra Center aro State Governments ke petition junto lawyer Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay pra file kurishi ito opor jawab dibole junadishi. Petitioner pra argue kurishi ki Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe laga bacha kun khan senior government kam paishi takhan reservation benefits nimite eligible na hobole lage koikna state kurishi ki socially aru puisa fale advanced families ke reservation under benefits dia pra reservation naga against ek kranishna hoi jay koishi. Petition janaishi ki reservation to sobse backward manu khan ke all of time nimite modot dibo karne ase holebi itya to Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe communities bitor tehi kunba manu khan lab to bar loikna sobse garib khan pichete ase koikna junadishi. Petition janaishi ki reservation to ekta generation pra dusrate pass koribole nimite nohoy ito nimite time to time te review koribole lage koikna junadishi. Petition warn kurishi ki jodi economically bhal kuri thaka manu khan ke hatai na dile tai khan hi lab pai thakikna government efficiency duk pabo aru constitution naga principle against hoi jabo koikna junadishi. International news te US President Donald Trump ra secret cyber psychological aru military choices junto te long range missile attacks nishna action Iran against lobole pare to opor inform kurishi koikna US defense officials pra junadishi. Tailaga national security team White House te lock koikna key action lobo to opor kotha koribole ase hoilebi Trump attend kuribona nai ito confirm hoikna nai. Move ito Iran kote citizens khan country laga economy ektam biya hua against protest loikina jai thaka time choice nishna manu reportedly mora pichte ahishi. Trump rajudi jamalato narukhile ta ektam strong option bhabna koribole olabo koishe. Trump bi Iran logote business kuri thaka country khan opor 25% tarif junto ase tax lobo nimite threaten kurishi. Junto pra Iran opor aru bishi pressure hoikina ase kun age pra hi US sanction pra duk paikina jaise.